Welcome to Monday, August 24th, pre-market video. We're looking at the Dow again, starting with that. A very strong move on Friday. We can see that we went through the range, actually the resistance I was talking about. Let's look at it on the 60-minute. Was very strong move. Sorry, and then at the end of the day, we had a continuation of something very strong in the morning. So now next stop would be we need to look at some resistance and see where we can get it. We've got that point right here, 91. What is it? 9606. Sorry. So that we could be good for another 100 point. If not, then we're back to that level, And if any of you know what's a measured move, from that point we had big move up, consolidation. That means we could probably reach that level. I don't know if it will be in that specific move right now, but we'll see, I guess. But definitely, what's the only thing important for us right now is it's bullish, and we can trade all our stock in a bullish manner. Now, same thing with the QQQ. We've got we're basically clearing the resistance I was talking about. Just a little bit tougher, or actually not as much strength than with the Dow, but still that's the SPY is like that as well. So it's very important information that all the market is in alignment, and that's normally very bullish. So now let's look at one stock I talked to you about on Thursday. This one was actually on Wednesday. Wednesday was live. I got it around 75 cents. I had it run there. I wanted to show you the significance of topping tail, because you see you don't need to wait for this to happen and reverse all the way there on a big push like this and then come back, break the low there before you take your profit, right? Because you see this topping tail formed using a 60-minute. You could have just basically drawn a trend line. I'll just go very quickly like this, not perfect, but not close. So that's what you could get if you're getting in a very quick jump. That's where I got in on this move, on this pullback, and then consolidation and move up. You can definitely track using either a trend line, the 8 MA, or the lows again. And all of these would have gotten you out like 25 cents higher. Instead of waiting for waiting passively and being caught where the stock is just back to almost your entry point, right? Very important point. Now KNDR, I'll have a special report later this morning, but I want you to look at this because that's a picture of strength. This move right here, consolidation slow, like decline in volume, but then it stayed in the same range. So there's definitely accumulation under or happening in this stock. And I think that each day that passed confirmed to me that this can be a big winner. There's big money being put in the stock right now, relatively big, for penny stock. And the awareness program is not even in full gear, not even started. If from my source, what I will do is in the report later, you'll get that before the open on Monday morning. You'll see the information that I have for you. NVSR. Very interesting. We kept going, from that break. So that's it. That one is good. Not much to say. Volume was a bit lower on Friday, but still, it's still 3 million shares, so it's liquid, and it kept moving up. Gapped up, but couldn't make it, couldn't make it higher basically for the rest of the day. But that's okay. It's still trending up there. CTIC about the same thing, small gap up, but then was not able to make a considerable, like a big move to the upside. UOMO, just wanted to show you. If this is a good sign of an accumulation and now they're letting it go back down, we should get ready for a re-entry somewhere where we see a reversal. Okay, Just want to show you these big bar normally, you know, it's being accumulated, and they let it go back down before giving it the real big push. That's my experience anyways. So we'll see, you know, 15, 16 cents. Maybe ideally if it was to go back to 18, I think maybe they'll let it go for another day or two, and then we should get ready. So keep watching it. Just kept on going. One trade I was talking about, OPSY, gave us the reversal yesterday. We'll see. It's, you know, it's not a steep decline, you know, but we'll see if that support will hold. But obviously on Friday when I saw it make a new higher high, I got in for some. Okay, not as much volume though. This was big volume. We'll see what we get after the next few days. So I took a small position just to test the water. BIEL still consolidating. So the only thing that I don't like, it's really coming close to its lows on this range, right? If I draw a trend line, just a quick line right here, it's, you know, kind of staying in the low range right now. So we'll see. I wouldn't like it to cross under that. That's really the limit for that one. If not, it will start to round down and you know, go down. NYMH, some people were asking me, this was a push, came back. Two things can happen on this one. Either it goes back up from here, so it will go higher than 20 and keep going up. It was on a small volume on Friday, so big volume on Thursday, big selling. Came back, reopened there. So it's still, you know what? I'm still looking for a confirmation that this is going to reverse. That's kind of a bottom in this pullback right here. So we'll see if it start moving up. Maybe I'll get some to at least test it. But it could also come back down to 14, 15 and stabilize there and restart. But we'll see. We'll see if it goes with big volume this morning or today. Could be a good re-entry. So that's it for today. Well, I'll just finish with the SPNG because I'm really, you know, I think this one will restart at some point, but it's still it's staying under this this trend line. That's my guide right now, and I can even probably tighten it up, you know, like this, and readjust and get it tighter, just to see if we can get an earlier entry. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you'll have a great trading day, and I'll send you some more information later. Thanks.